Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. What is contract assortment module? Let's try value contract as an example in S4 HANA. This is quite simple. Probably you might have seen if you have ECC background. So contract assortment means the collection of the materials or articles. Most of the times you can able to see this word called uh, assortment, article assortment or material assortment and listing in retail industry. But irrespective of any industry, for contracts there is something called assortment. You're trying to fix certain materials uh, at the time of creating contract. By assigning contract assignment, the proposal will be flown to your sales order. Let's try to see what exactly it is, what are the rules we have. Okay, so now uh, let's try to do one thing. WS V2 is the transaction for creating assortment. Basically, what happens? So if you have any existing one, for example, this assortment is there. If I click, so this is in, let me go to the display mode. You can able to see what are all the materials it's supposed to be proposed automatically on at the time of creating contract. So that means you are fixing for certain purpose, grouping the material and using at the time of creating contract. For example, you have 100 materials, okay, in real time, or else 20 materials or 10 materials. So the same set every time. If customer is would like to revise his contract, or else he would like to looking for the same set of the materials, or else specific materials you are on a specific contract basis you are selling, so that you can able to predefine this set for that particular contract based on terms and conditions externally with the customer. Okay, so if I press enter, automatically see internal number. This is the module number. This is the number we have to give at the time of creating contract. Okay, so probably you can write contract assortment distributors. I'm just giving an example. So if you have multiple assortments, what should be the priority? Anyhow, I'm going to define, so total list of materials like this. For example, this is one leading zeros, two, like that, three, four, five. Which one has priority? Okay. So I'm not going to give any priority as of now. So let's try to give some materials. Okay. Probably I can able to choose this material and this material and probably this material, or else let me try to check. So what is a preliminary condition? So all these belongs to same sales area. Okay, it should be guess extended to same sales organization and distribution channel. Let me try to check. Probably I can take this material. Okay, and I'll take, okay, so that you can able to give the validity of these materials. Okay, as of now I'm not giving anything, and this is which material has a priority on proposal. So maybe for my proposal I'll just put it the priority like that, average priority and high priority or something like that. Okay, so maybe I can say this is 7 and this is 4 and this is 1. I can keep like this the priority. Okay, so suggested materials also, if I select this, you can, so if it is from certain vendor or else certain material group, you can able to copy it. That is different story. But you have to understand this. You, like this, you can able to give n number of materials. I have given only 3 materials as of now. Let's save this. What is the prerequisite for it? Okay, let's go to SPRO. For example, this is the same assortment you are using for what I would say. mm, uh, the item category. So item level, I would like to use it for this one for value contract. Okay, as an example. So let's go to the sales documents and sales document item, or else Vivo V7, you can go it. Okay. So let's go to the position. So we have last previous session, if you follow it, this is the value contract. WK1 for that, we have used this item category. Okay. So let's come here. In that set, one of the materials supposed to be available here at least. So Let's keep it here. Maybe I can go for it. DR P1. Okay. So even you can able to give the dummy material also. That's what I have explained. Let's put it here. It's an example. Okay. If you don't mention this, it will not work for you. Surprisingly, I have observed one more thing in S4 HANA. For example, if I go for BA41, that's it. You don't require. So GWK1, WK1, I copied as a GWK1. Okay. Now, if you look at this, I would like to show you just uh, press enter. I don't require. So reference. So I just create directly. So value CONTR contract with assortment. Okay, let's keep this one presenter. Okay, distributor contract for northern area. So I haven't defaulted anything. So this is why default values it is not coming. That we can able to do it. Let's put it this for till October month end manually. So target value is I'm just giving 10,000 as of now. Also 1 lakh, no issues. So if I press enter, automatically this material will be copied. Okay. So here comes, okay, go to the item detail. Better go to the ordering party. Previously, what used to happen if you go to the what I would say in ECC, the first screen itself, it is available like whatever the module we're supposed to enter here, but it is available in ordering party. What should be the difference, or else someone might be hide, or I'm not sure, but you can able to give your assortment module. So let's go to WS V2. Let me try to show you this one. Okay. So what is ours presenter? So this is what last we have created contract assortment for distributor. Okay. I'm just copying this one. That's why I came to the screen. So let's go here. So here you just enter. Okay. Once you enter, okay, double click on this. Okay. Go to the condition someone made this one WK00 as a manual condition. It's supposed to be, otherwise it's supposed to get copied, whatever it may be the case. Okay, go to the assortment module. Okay, now you can able to see this how beautifully our materials. For example, these are the three materials you are inviting to against these materials. Whatever the value we maintain, till that value they can able to utilize what I would say value contract. The similar way quantity contract also you can able to invite assortment. That is different story. So what I mean to say is in quantity contract anyhow directly you have that particular material field you can able to enter it. But here these specific materials you would like to utilize it. Okay, as a predefined criteria for your value contract, you can able to do it. What I wanted to say is, okay, the same proposal will be copied to your sales order. Release order means by using this contract, you are going to create a sales order. This proposal will be copied. Okay. So what is the major advantage? As I said that, so if materials are fixed for certain contracts, you can able to use assortment. Second one, if the materials only used for a specific distributor or else customer group, such a case also it will be used. Third, you need not enter manually. It is a laborious process. On instead, the frequency is repeated for the same distributor or customer. You can able to use it. Okay, entry questions they will ask. You have to learn the business first before getting into the SAP. That is more important. Okay, so I'm not saying something like that, and just try to learn from me if you want it. Okay, so you have given this validity and target value and module. Okay, so let's save this. So what is the contract? Ends with 42, right? Let's create a sales order. Let me check. You are on right screen. Yes, you are on right screen always. Okay, Devo R1, create with reference, go to the contract. So it's a 42, what we have created, right? While you contract with assortment. So here, if you want, you can able to copy. Okay. So what is the message it is showing? Okay, no problem. So that is just warning message. So now you can able to see this behind this. This is the sample material what copied from your item category. So if you expand assortment, you can able to see this. All these are the different materials, right? Yeah. So if you wanted to have a specific selection, that also you can able to do it. For example, let me put it some quantity. So 10, here also 10, here also 10 quantity. Okay. Simply you can able to choose it and let's copy. So that's okay. That is setting. See how beautifully it is copied 10 quantity. Simply, once assortment is there with reference to contract, if you'd like to create any releasing order, the assortment quantities, if you wanted to have specific selection also that you can able to do it. Okay. So let's put it. Let's edit. Something I'm missing. Maybe this is issue with certain material. Maybe the group is missing. Let's do one thing. Slash o mm02. So this is what it is. I got it. Let me try to assign manually possible. So it is not allowing. Okay. So anyhow, let it go. Is with 60, right? Go to the shipping. Okay. Or else let me try to create one more. Anyhow, I can able to save it. Now you understood, right? The similar way, this is some issue with the availability check or something like that. Okay, just click on copy. Let's go for assortment. Otherwise, if some other issue is there, I'll just delete it. It's not a big deal. Okay, just click on copy. Let's go to the shipping. Okay. Now here comes. Okay. Okay. Let's try to do the delivery. So from delivery, the same story. Okay. If you, okay, it's might be because of this taking group issues. Let's keep it today. What is the today? Let's keep it this. I might be experimented something with this material, no problem. Let me try to choose everything or else stock might not be available. That is also case. Never worried. Okay, no issues. Let's try to do the delivery now. Okay. That's it. What I can able to say it. So probably you can able to choose it. This is how it happens. That's why the material has some issue, like it is not checking the stock availability. Anyhow, that is different story. I'll fix it. Now you got it. What I mean to say. Okay. Now, as of now, I'm just completing the cycle with these two materials. No issues. How many materials you want it, you can able to do it. Checking group is missing. That is the probability of that material, because why it is missing, I know, because the same material I have used for individual purchase order. That's why I got an issue. Anyhow, VA 42. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Let's go to the item. Let's go to the assortments. Okay. So this is how you can able to play with the system. Now value got consumed, right? Okay, for those two materials. So I think with this we can able to conclude contracts. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please watch my previous videos. This is my S4HANA course. Currently it is holding 96.5 hours, 318 lectures. It will be continuously updated what of I know in S4HANA sales. Okay. So don't go for comparisons. It's a 90, almost 97 hours hard work. Some years I have recorded. So please try to learn this. If you really wanted to learn support, you can try these two courses. And this is for advance payment. This is for condition contracts. And I have few set of courses for real time. It is very, very important before starting your first job, learn how to write a functional specification. That means you can able to write your own business document on your way. This is for your idocs. Okay. So these two for your pricing. If you really wanted to learn, you can learn it. No one is going to stop you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Currently, I am holding 1060 videos. I think a good place to learn everything. Okay, you can subscribe it. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Let's catch up in next session.